I know intimately on Home Smile's side, our training is vibrant. It is deep. And I know on behalf of Fran Growth, all of our brands have deep and entrenched training principles. I would say that any type of repivot, retool, where somebody coming out of corporate is going to be looking at acquiring a franchise, because like you mentioned, you do have to pour your blood, sweat, and tears into it, right? It's not something that when you buy a franchise, you're not just buying it and sitting back and collecting a check. You are being given the opportunity to build something great.